up and welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I hope we're all doing good. I hope we're all keeping safe. The coronavirus is still out there, so please guys, be careful wherever you go to, whatever you do. Make sure you're always protected because we still want to be alive to enjoy every good thing and every blessing that God still has in store for us. So yeah, please be safe. So guys, can you guys tell how excited I am? Like I am so excited. Like today's video, guys, would you believe that I haven't shot a video in like weeks, if not a month? Like guys, honestly, I've just been suffering from, I don't know if I will call it writer's blog. No, this is not a writing, this is a YouTube forum. So I've been suffering from lack of YouTube video syndrome. I don't know, whatever, but yeah, I haven't been able to shoot a video in a while. And yeah, so lately I have gotten inspiration and I am hopefully going to be giving some new video ideas now. So anyways, I'm just rambling. The excitement is just too much. Guys, today's video I am going to be reviewing a new product that I just got recently. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So guys, today's video I'm going to be reviewing an eyeshadow palette. Like as if I don't have plenty eyeshadow palettes already, I just had to go buy another one. So guys, anyways, this eyeshadow palette, or the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be reviewing today, is the LHIDHIA STANLEY and Zikel Cosmetics new eyeshadow palette. Yeah! So guys, if you do not know who LHIDHIA STANLEY is and who Zikel Cosmetics is, let me give you a brief history. So anyways, Zikel Cosmetics is a Nigerian brand based in Lagos, Nigeria here. So they do foundations, eyeshadows, blending sponges, brushes, like everything. They're a full-on cosmetic company or a full-on cosmetic brand, and they have so many products, you know, that they currently do. So yeah, so and LHIDHIA STANLEY is a Nigerian YouTuber and content creator based here in Nigeria. So yeah, she and Zikel Cosmetics collaborated together and they came out with this eyeshadow palette. So this eyeshadow palette launched today. The day I'm shooting this video, today is the 8th of August, and she launched this palette I think on the 5th or 6th of August. So that was like 2 or 3 days back. Like when I saw this eyeshadow palette, when she posted this eyeshadow palette, and it was on her birthday. I think it was on the 6th. Yeah, it was on the 6th of August, and that was her birthday. So that was when she launched this eyeshadow palette. So when I saw the eyeshadow palette and I saw the colors and I saw the pigmentation, I was like, damn, I have to get this palette. So yeah, this eyeshadow palette retails for 5,000 naira. I'm going to put the conversion rate down here. I don't know if Zikel Cosmetics ships abroad just yet, but yeah, if you're in Nigeria, anywhere in Nigeria, you can always order from the Zikel Cosmetics website and they will ship it to your doorstep. So yeah, immediately I saw the palette, I ordered it immediately that same day and I got it the next day. It didn't really take time. So yeah, enough rambling. Let me just open this eyeshadow palette so y'all can see this gorgeousness that I am ranting about. I took the liberty of also getting an eyelash from the Zikel Cosmetics brand too. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be creating a look with these two. So anyways, let's just look at the eyeshadow palette. So it came in a really in a different package. I tore out the package, you know, had to like sanitize the package and everything, coronavirus, you know. So yeah, tore off the package, sanitized, washed my hands, and yeah. So this is what the eyeshadow comes in. It comes in a styrofoam pack. That's what they call this stuff, right? Styrofoam pack, yeah. So, and this is the eyeshadow palette, guys. Like, okay guys, so this is the eyeshadow palette. I'm just showing you a close-up of the eyeshadow palette right now. Like, it is a very beautiful packaging. As you can see, it has LHIDHIA STANLEY at the front of the packaging, and if you know LHIDHIA STANLEY, or if you follow LHIDHIA STANLEY, you know she likes butterflies. So the packaging is a very pretty black and it has gold butterflies on it, which is like really pretty. Then at the back of the packaging, you have the Zikel brand at the back. And then this eyeshadow palette comes with 24 colors. And at the back, it says, to be a butterfly, you must want to fly so bad that you are willing to give up being a caterpillar. I hope this palette inspires you to morph into the beautiful butterfly that you are meant to be. Which is like, that's like a very, 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 really, really nice statement. Like, I really like it. It's very encouraging. Then it has LHIDHIA STANLEY. So at the back, it has the ingredients. It says it created and formulated in the USA for Zikel Cosmetics. So this is the packaging of this eyeshadow palette is very, very pretty. Now I'm just going to quickly open up the package for you. As you can see now, the eyeshadow comes with a paper wrapping. So I'm just going to take off that paper wrapping, and it is a very nice, sleek black shimmery or black luminous palette. So it's very, very shiny. So it's quite simple. There's nothing at the back, it's just an empty back. Then we have LHIDHIA STANLEY's logo in front with the butterfly and Zikel. But then guys, opening up this palette, oh my goodness, what? First off, I am in love with the fact that this palette has a huge ass mirror. Like, this mirror is big, so you have no excuses of doing nonsense on your eyeshadow. So that is like a very big plus for me, the fact that it has a huge mirror. But guys, can we just talk about these eyeshadows? Like, oh my goodness, what? So this eyeshadow comes with 4 shimmery shades. And out of those 4 shimmery shades, one of the shades it kind of looks like it has chunky glitters in it. So maybe it wants to look like a duochromish eyeshadow. So one of the shades, that's the shade Precious. So the shade Precious has like some luminous studs inside it. So yeah, so there are 4 shimmery shades. And the rest, or the remaining 20, are matte shades. So basically for this eyeshadow, there are actually 5 shimmery shades. I just saw this yellow gold now. So there are actually 5 shimmery shades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 shimmery shades actually, sorry. And then there are 19, right? Yeah. And then there are 19 matte shades in this eyeshadow palette, which is like so beautiful. Like, just looking at this palette, I can tell that these colors will be pigmented. I haven't swatched them yet. I'm going to swatch them now for you guys, but just looking at this palette alone, I can tell that this palette is going to be very pigmented. Like, I am so eager to try this palette out. Now this video is just going to be about showing you this palette. Today's video is going to be about showing you this palette. The next video I'm going to be creating a makeup look using this eyeshadow palette and using the lashes. So yeah, I just want to show you guys, so that you guys bask in the euphoria of this gorgeous palette that is LHIDHIA STANLEY. So congratulations to LHIDHIA STANLEY on this palette. Like, I can imagine, like, let's be honest, in the Nigerian beauty space, it's not like the American beauty space where companies can reach out to you, and, collaborate with you, and create products with you, or, with you. So it's for Zikel Cosmetics to actually reach out to LHIDHIA STANLEY, and then create this. Like, kudos to Zikel Cosmetics. Like, they are doing very well. Like, not a lot of Nigerian beauty brands are actually doing it, like partnering with content creators. So for the fact that Zikel Cosmetics actually did this with LHIDHIA STANLEY, I give them props. I give them like kudos. They really did a good job. And for the longest time, Zikel Cosmetics haven't been, like, when they first started, they were like they were trying and everything, but now the quality of products that Zikel Cosmetics is bringing out is like really bomb. And I really, really like that they have improved a lot from when they first came out. Like, when they first came out, their products were not that good, but right now they've really improved. Like, their products are getting better and better as the days go by. So I'm really, really happy that Zikel Cosmetics actually did it, and I'm really, really happy for LHIDHIA STANLEY being able to have this, because let's be honest, the beauty industry is not very lucrative here in Nigeria, because everybody's uncles, brothers, sisters, aunties, wives, cousins, whatever, is like a makeup artist and wants to be a content creator. So with that, it has mostly kind of saturated the business a lot. The beauty space or the beauty industry has been saturated a lot. So yeah, when you see products, companies reaching out to beauty people, it kind of gives a sense of, okay, there's still hope in the beauty industry of actually making some small coins, and being recognized and stuff like that for the work you put in as a content creator. So anyways, that is enough rambling. Back to this gorgeousness. So yeah, congrats to LHIDHIA STANLEY and congrats to Zikel Cosmetics for this. So anyways, like I said, it has 5 shimmery shades and 19 matte shades. So I'm just going to quickly swatch each line for you guys right now and show you guys how pigmented these eyeshadows are. I hope I am not wrong with the pigmentation of these eyeshadows, because looking at them, they look very buttery. But sometimes eyeshadows can be deceiving. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly swatch each line for you guys. Yeah, so let me quickly start off with the first line. So guys, this is the swatch of the first line. So as is, from first one is Milky, second shade is Precious, Dimmer, White Truffle, Amber, Grayish, Latte, and Umber. So guys, the pigmentation of this eyeshadow is what? Oh my god, I was very right. And just touching these eyeshadows, it is so buttery, like especially the shimmer shades, like they are so buttery, like so gorgeous. Like just swatching them alone, just one swipe and the colors just came out so pigmented. So guys, this is the first line of the shade. I'm just going to quickly wipe this off and swatch the second line. Okay guys, so this is the second level, this is the second row. So I swatched them according to how they are. We have Sunrise, we have Peace, Heart Eyes, Ama, Jade, Verdant, Gono, and Isoken. Oh, Gono, this was Gono was a makeup artist. She died, I think it was this year that she died, or was it last year? So this was so nice, for her to add her name. So yeah, this is the second row. Out of all these shades, I had a little bit of issue swatching this one. I don't know, it didn't feel as buttery as everyone that I have swatched. So this Ama shade, I really don't know why, but it wasn't as buttery as the rest. I had a little problem swatching this one, but every other one was gorgeous. And that is this shade right here. That's this shade right here. But every other shade swatched beautifully. So yeah, next line. Okay guys, so this is the last layer or the last row. This is it swatched according to the colors. I think this last row has to be like this last row and the first row have to be like my favorite like colors. Like just look at the pigmentation, so stunning. What? Like the colors are just amazing and they are so beautiful. Like we have Regal, we have Esther, we have Gold Coin, Gilded, Layefa, Okwe, Promise, and Risky. Like these shades, wow. So guys, those are the swatches of the LHIDHIA STANLEY and Zikel Cosmetics palette. Like guys, I can tell you one thing for sure, that this palette is actually worth the money. Like it is worth the 5,000 naira you will spend on buying this palette. Like the colors, as you saw from the swatches, like the colors are so pigmented. Like, and in fact all the shades that I swatched, like I didn't have any problem with swatching. Like they paid off just at the first like swipe, and the eyeshadows feel so buttery. Like that is one good thing I like about, like when I saw the eyeshadows, like at first I was like, these shadows look like they'll be buttery, and I was not wrong. The eyeshadows are actually very buttery. Like they feel so nice, so good. So I am very, very excited to actually try this palette. Like I said before, like it's only one shade in this eyeshadow palette that I kind of had a little problem with swatching, and that is this shade called Amma, this brown shade here. That's the only shade that I had a little problem swatching the shadow. I don't know why. Maybe probably with time, as I use it more, it will become, I don't know, but yeah, that's the only shade in this palette that I had a little problem with swatching. But aside from that, every other shade in this palette is so gorgeous. Like, they are stunning. Like, guys, this shade here, this shade called Precious, oh my god, it has like little I don't know what I call it, crystals or little diamonds inside it. Like, it is just fabulous. It is a beautiful shade. Like, it's a vavavoom shade. So if you want to like just go all out and look all like that, Precious shade is actually bomb. So guys, this palette is amazing. Like 5,000 naira, can you beat that? The price is not bad, and you get 24 really pigmented eyeshadows. So yeah, and this one thing also, another thing I like about this eyeshadow, it is quite versatile. Like, you can create any look. If you're going for a nighttime look, you can create it. If you're going for a daytime look, you can create it. Like, whatsoever kind of look you want to go for, this eyeshadow palette is going to help you create that look. Like, name it. Even if you're going for a colorful, and I love colors. Like, if you guys know me, you know I love colors. That's one of the reasons why I even bought this palette, because of the colors. Like, I just loved the colors. So yeah, if you're one like me that likes colorful looks, you would definitely enjoy this palette. Like, the colored eyeshadows in it, even though they are matte, they are super pigmented. So yeah, like the next video I'm going to be posting up is going to be an eyeshadow tutorial using this look. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. There is a big red button right down here. I always keep forgetting where the subscribe button is. There is a big red button down here. Yes. Ibi, don't kill me. There's a big red button down here, so it is the subscribe button. Please be sure to click on that button, and just beside the subscribe button there is a bell button beside it. There's a like you know what a bell looks like. Yeah, that button beside it. So make sure to click that bell button, and be sure to click all. When you click that bell button, click all, so that you can always get notifications anytime I post up any videos on my channel, so that when I post up the video for the makeup tutorial for this look, you would be the first to see how this eyeshadow plays out on the eyes. You know, it's one thing to swatch the eyeshadows, and another thing to actually see how the eyeshadow plays on the eyes. And mind you, all those swatches that I did not use any primer. Like, I didn't use any base, any primer whatsoever. So that goes to show how pigmented these eyeshadows are. If they can come out so beautifully, especially the matte shades, without a primer, then imagine what the pigmentation you would get when you now prime your eyes. Like, think about it. Think about it. So guys, this is my review of the new LHIDHIA STANLEY and Zikel Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. If you're in Nigeria, like I said before, you can always order from the Zikel Cosmetics website. You can go to their Instagram page. I'm going to put a link to their Instagram page in the description box, so you can go down, you can click on my description box and click on the link there to go purchase this eyeshadow palette. You know, they have other things if you're interested in other things to buy, but yeah, so yeah, you can purchase it, and it retails for 5,000 naira, like I said. So I don't know how much shipping would cost to your side, but yeah, shipping wasn't really that expensive to my side. So, but I think it was like 1,000 naira to ship to me. So altogether I spent like 6,000 naira to get this palette. But yeah, it's definitely worth the money. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching this review of the new LHIDHIA STANLEY and Zikel Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. If you're going to get this palette, if you're in Nigeria and you're going to get this palette, please do comment down below. If you already have this palette, please do comment down below and tell me what you think about this palette in the comment section. You know, let's share thoughts. Let's share thoughts. Let's vibe to this palette, because this palette is absolutely amazing. All right, guys, until my next video, guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.